You're about to witness faces from the past come alive not just as history, but as people. These are the men, women, and children of Native American nations between 1872 and 1905. Through these restored and animated photographs, we step into a time when tradition, pride, and struggle lived in every expression. Look into their eyes. This is not just imagery. It's presence. Every wrinkle, every bead, every feather tells a story of identity passed down through generations. Warriors, elders, mothers, dancers, each captured in a still moment that now breathes again. These aren't just portraits. They're echoes of resilience. At a time when their lands were being taken and cultures suppressed, these individuals stood tall, holding on to what mattered most: their spirit, their stories, their soul. From the quiet strength of the Lakota to the fierce pride of the Apache, these faces reflect a dignity no war or policy could erase. And now, thanks to technology, we don't just see them, we meet them. History isn't black and white. It lives, it moves, and today, it speaks. If you feel the power in these moments, share this journey and let their legacy echo into the future.